Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Belle. Today we are going to be doing some cupcake inspired makeup looks. This is actually the third one. I've done two other ones. They're all going to be posted around the same time, and they're all going to be different makeup Valentine's Day looks based on different cupcakes that I personally would want to receive on Valentine's Day. If you're wondering why my eyes look a bit red and puffy, it's probably because this is the third look, and so I've had to wipe my eyes free of makeup twice now, and it's definitely had a impact on how puffy my face is, so just take that into account. But yeah, so when I was thinking about this concept, I was just thinking about things I think of when I think of Valentine's Day, and I just think of fun pink cupcakes, fun sweets, stuff like that. I love baking, it's definitely a hobby of mine. I also ordered my family this like big pink fun like confetti cake from the Magnolia Bakery in New York City. It looks like this. But yeah, I love Valentine's Day, I love cupcakes, and I love pink makeup looks, so I thought why not throw these all together and do like a little mini series with a few different cupcake inspired looks. So this is the third one. This look is inspired by a like funfetti or confetti cupcake, so it looks like this. The recipe will be posted right here. I will also link the recipe down below, as well as all the info for this cupcake. I will be keeping the cupcake on screen as kind of a reference for this look, so we'll just kind of move around the screen as we go through this, because I will be zooming you guys in so you have a better view of the look that we're doing. And yeah, so without anything else, I'm kind of going to zoom you in. All the products that I'm using will be linked in the description box, so if you're interested, kind of check them out down there. And if you have any questions related to the look or the cupcake or anything else, just comment them down below. I really like reading the comments, and I would really appreciate hearing from you guys. So yeah, so let's get started with this look. So now that you're zoomed in, the cupcake's on the side of the screen, I am going to be just going through this look. I will be mentioning the products that I'm using. I'm going to do one eye, and then I will zoom through the other eye afterwards at like 2 times speed. So yeah, so let's get started. So this is a funfetti cupcake, or like a confetti cupcake. So it has sprinkles on the inside. But then it has this like light pink buttercream, so I think the base of this look is going to be a light pink, so I'm going to do that first. So the first thing I'm going to use for this look is this pink blush. This is from the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush Daria palette. And I think this will just give us like a nice pink base all over the lid. So that's the first step. So now that I have my base down, which is just this light pink color, I'm going to start adding in other colors to represent the funfetti aspect of it. So I'm going to be using the See You Later Violet Voss palette, and I'm going to be using a dense brush. This is the eye crease brush from e.l.f. It looks like this. And I think this is great for packing on colors, and e.l.f. is really affordable, and then I just clean the brush in between the different colors. So normally I start with like the lighter color. So the first color I'm going to use is this like light blue. It's called Staycation. It's right here. And kind of like sprinkles, I'm just going to put sections of these colors down. So the next color that I'm going to go for is a darker pink. So this is the color Toodles. It is right here. I might mix a little bit of the orange, which is Red Tide as well, just to make it stand out a little more. So I might do pink and orange. Just like that. I'm gonna put a blue right there as well. And now I'm going to do yellow. The yellow I'm going to be using is this one right here. It is like almost like a yellow orange. This is Shoreline. Again in the Violet Boss palette. I'm going to take a bit more of the pink and orange and pull those a little darker. So I think some of it got blended out. And out of the three looks, this is definitely the more out there look, but I also definitely just really like it. I like Confetti cupcakes, so I feel like I had to do something like this. Now with the Scott Barnes palette, I am going to take the shade Pinkaboo right here, just to add some of that pink back in for the frosting, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner right there. And I'm also going to put it up by the brow bone. Oh, sorry. I'm going to put it on the inner corner, like right here. See that brightness? Now I think in order to give the look a bit more depth, I'm going to pull in this purple from the Natasha Denona Mini Love palette. And I'm just going to pull it along the lower lash line and then up into this section right here. So first along the lower lash line, kind of hugging the waterline a little bit more. Yeah, I think what I want to do is so I think I like that better. So having the lower lash line have the purple and then the upper lash line have all the color. And then what I'm going to do, similar to the last looks, is I'm going to take a brush with no product and blend out the edges. Just slightly. And I'm just blending them up towards my brow. And then finally, I'm just gonna go over some of the colors that I think faded just slightly, mostly just the Staycation blue. So that is one eye. I'm going to do the second eye and then I will zoom out and cut back so that you can see the final look. So my cat is getting FOMO from being outside of the room because she makes a lot of noise. So this is 4. She looks like this. Yeah, okay. She's gonna run around. So this is the final cupcake inspired makeup look. I would say this one is the least Valentine's Day like and most just cupcake like, but I really just kind of enjoy Confetti cupcakes. I thought this would be a fun look to do. So yeah, so this is the Confetti cupcake inspired look. The cupcake that it's referencing is right here, and then the recipe is linked down below. I will also link all the products that I used for this video and the products that I'm wearing on my face, so if you are interested in those will also be linked down in the description below. And if you're interested in any of the products that I mentioned or any products on my channel, definitely comment down below. I really look forward to seeing your comments, and I definitely am interested in knowing kind of what products or videos you want to see more of. So yeah, so leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I would really appreciate it. And I hope you're having a great day or morning or night or whatever it is. Thanks so much. Bye guys.